Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if this is your first time here, where have you been? I'm judging you right now. Shout out to my regulars. Keep liking, commenting, and sharing. I love you all. So this is the dustbin for the Kanye. Tata serious lamot. Hello. So I must hang it somewhere. You must not listen my car. That's a girl poop. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Boo, 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 boo. Let's do it again. Hey, yes. Hey guys, let's do 1, 2, 1, 2. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Boo, 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 boo. Today we are doing a Shein haul with my baby, my champion. Let's see. I bought you a lot of stuff. Close your eyes. Let's see. First one. This is the worthless. Oh, maybe let's do this. Yeah, let's do. Ooh.
Wow!
Yeah.
I like it.
Wow. Also, we got this for the car. The Lord is my shepherd and I shall not what. So here it says trust in the Lord. I had 3. So yeah, I had 2. Yeah, so this is the remaining one. Remember that time I was manifesting for a car, and guess what? Yes, this is for the car. Oh, this is the dustbin. Thank you so much. So this is for the car. Put it this way. But it's, let me just open it anyway. It's for, not going to fit everything, but then it's for the seat belt. Yeah. And then this is for the dustbin for the car. I hope I'm visible and audible. So this is the dustbin for the Kanye. Tata serious lamot. Hello. So I must hang it somewhere. You must not listen my car. That's a girl poop. But okay. Yeah. So that is the dustbin for the car dustbin. It's very tiny. All these smaller things. Oh, I like it. It's very portable. So you do it like this when you want to put it back into shape. And then oh guys, levels.
I don't agree.
Okay, I'll give you. Okay. Don't mess up my things. Okay. And this is for the car key. I bought for the car keys.
Thank you, Mama.
It's not yours, my love. It's for the car keys. There you go. So nice. Squishy. It's written, do not touch my key. And then this is for the rear mirror. It says protected. Psalms 91. I love this. 2 bits. And then this one, it's for the bird. Please be patient. I'm just a girl. But I think this, it will vibes. This is South Africa that we are living at. So it's not friendly to women. So I'm not going to use this for now. Because now I need to change gears. Okay. So this one is a target. So okay, this is the one that I love. It says, are you following Jesus this closely? Oh my goodness me. I love this. This is I'm going to paste this one. Yeah, we'll go to the car later. And then about this, I've been seeing this on TikTok trending. Trending. So I thought, let me get this AER packet. It is a lavender, berry rush bathroom fragrance. Bathroom? Panjani babes. Okay, I'll put it in the bottom this time, regardless. But I thought I'll buy, but I'll go to Checkers and buy. And then what? Oh, another car key holder, Tony. Right, I bought 2 in case but I think I like that one. It's too Is it red or maroon? Like it's giving something that I don't know. Yeah, this is not for Zobuhle, right? This is for me. Wow, I love it. Do you like it? Yes or no? I didn't buy you toys, ma'am. Right? And then also this one. What is this now? I don't know what I bought. Sometimes I buy stuff and I forget. Oh yeah, so I bought this for the car as well. So that we can have a cute scent in the car. I have seen these things on in people's cars, so I was wondering what's okay. So what am I gonna do? So yeah, this is for the car. I bought this color because it's neutral. It's not for you, baby, but we can have it for now. Okay, for now. And then what else for the car? I just wanna. Here, I only bought one car dustbin. Don't know why am I having two? Oh, okay. It's not for the dust. My bad. It's for the windows, the sun, the moon, and the stars. Okay, but it's for the windows so that we are blocking the sun in the car. Manje why hey shini you forever be famous. Manje why begoqe ngaleya ndlela. So out too, yes, I did buy two. So I don't know how this works though. Ngifake le mbobo. Bese ngiyapaste. Inking. We are. I am in deep trouble. Yeah, I can't give you that one. So this one I'll put it inside. So we'll put it in the car. It's just to right. Put it this side. Okay. And then what else is for the car? Oh, this is. I think this is the humidity. Don't. Yes, it's for the window, baby. Thank you so much. And then, oh, and then I bought a diffuser. So my car will smell a little bit nice. It's a vanilla essential oil. There you go. I'll show you, my love. Okay. I'll show it to you. Oh, there. So tiny. Wait, man. Smells so nice. It smells so nice, ne? It smells so nice. I love it. So this is for the humidity. Don't. That I'm going to take out here. Kanti incane kanje. Na bengithi inkulu. Bengithi inkulu. I thought it's big.
Thank you. Thank you.
So that's the. It's not yours, baby. It's for holding some cables somewhere in the house. But I was thinking for the car. Sorry, guys, but you know, I bought a black one, not a whitish type of person. Color. Oh, so yeah. So angazipress waphi lento. Kumele charge. Oh, ayivele nje ikuqhuma kwenzeke izinto zakhona. Kumele kanhlezi ixhonyiwe. Hawe. Sizoyixhuma ke. Sibone ukuthi kwenzakalani ke bese ke ngiyanibonisa. Ngiyafaka zonke lezi zinto. Ilethe.
Is that in my hair?
Ne? But did I show you? Okay, it comes with a cable. That's good. I love Shein for being loyal to us. It's very tiny, at least because my car is very small. Oh, you like toys? Good for you, ma'am.
Thank you. Mama.
Okay, you're welcome, my love. Okay, and then what is this now? Oh, ikepisi leli angika fiki ke lapho. Yini futhi that has to do with that car. Oh yes, this one. And then you focus on other stuff. And then, oh, you'll forever be famous. Sheini. See this cute little, it's giving girly things. I'm not a girly type of person, but the cat deserves someone who's loyal. Okay, I like it. I love it. See, 2. I bought only 2 because I think oh no, I should have bought 3, but it's fine. And then yeah, I think, oh, what's this now? Mina ngiyathanda ukuthenga bakithi izinto engazazi. I understand why did I buy. Can you see this? It's another thing for the car, eh? Vanilla cream calf refresher. It's written car refresh. And then there's this one that I bought. It's empty, guess, and Condi. Like, I didn't see. Isobuhle. Yabona ke wena. Lokushaya ngenqindi. Inqindi enganeni. Right? And then I think that's it for the car. Then now we can focus on other stuff. Like the cap. I bought myself a cap. Ooh, okay. Sometimes in hey. Angathi it's straight cap le nto le. Oh, ngiyayigoba. Oh, maybe ngiyayigoba because ibingabukeki ngathi kuyagotshwa. Yeah. Wena ngalesi hluthu sakho. Okay. But majority of the I bought myself socks, secret socks because smart. Oh, these are Zobushes. That's some Champions socks. They are cute. They are warm, good for winter. Take.
Wow.
But where are mine? Oh, there. You like it? Oh. Okay, yeah, these are mine because I was like, ooh. Yes. I like the quality. It's giving a stretchy.
Thank you.
You're welcome, my love. Right. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pairs. Ngiyazi ukuthi by the end of the week amanye azobe lahlekile andiwazi ukuba azobe eyephi. I misplace these things but ke sengigqoka ngafaneki. Sengigqoka u-grey no black. Morning guys, I'm just a girl. Okay, but okay, we move. And then what else do we have here?
Can you take out this?
Yes please, you may. I bought this girl. What size is this? 4 years. Such a good person, you know. Oh, okay, it's not so bad. You don't want socks? I like this because it has some fluffy, but it's not warmish, but it will be warm. It's not heavy. It's very light. So I think, yeah, a child can wear it. A 4-year-old. Let's see. Come here, Zoe. Let's see if it fits. Come. Sondela standwa, sondela. We're doing a photo shoot. Like if fitting, don't, right? So I want to see if this one. Please don't mind her hair. She must wash her hair. She must do her hair. Yeah, so please don't quarrel this baby. Otherwise, you have me to deal with. And you don't want to see the other side of me. Was like, before me threaten abantu. Okay. 4 years. Most una 4. Una 3 years something. Yeah, it's cutie. Do you like it? Huh? Wait, stand up. Angazi yapi? Huh? I must ask him, James. You ask him after, ne? Ooh, looking all cutie. So this one ngeke phela agqoke no pink. Lana ngithi ubegqokile vele. So uzokhula naye. Nathi ekhaya kithi they used to buy us big things and say, you will grow. Wait, mama, wait. Buckle lock, what's that? You buckle up. What are you buckling up?
Buckle up. This is the belt.
It's a belt, yes. Okay. Do you like it? Yes or no? Ooh, come this side. Here, stand here. Come, stand up, Mama. Come this side. Yes. Ooh, turn around. Chip. Oh, turn around. Hayi bo, kanti turn around ngendlela yakho. Wow, beautiful baby. Wait there. Ouch. Beautiful baby. Okay, relax, right? And then now let's see another one, eh? Another jacket, because I got you a lot of jackets. Ne? Let's see another jacket.
I want this one.
Okay, I'll show you. I'll give you. Pega, give me an. Look at me. Turn around. Turn. Yes. Well done, ne? You're not misbehaving. This is your Shein haul. So this is a Shein haul. You don't want. Okay. Okay, you are going to fit it. So yeah, this is it. That's how it looks like inside. It's warm. I highly recommend. And then now we put this one, very cutesy, very demure. And that one was 4 years, and this is 4 years as well. Well, I like the pink, but you can see it's not warm. So this is just a make me nice type of vibe. Le inwele zakho lezi ikhanda lakho likhulu man. Inwele. Is it going to fit? Joey. Yo. Joey. Yo. The hair is too, you see? The hair is too big. But you can see it yourself.
Can you do a hair?
Yeah, you do your hair. And then this is how it looks at the end of the day. Yes? Cute. Cute. Okay. And then we have this one as well. A black jacket. And this is 5 years old. It's not warm. I thought it was warm, but it's just for make me nice type of situation. It's for autumn, I think. It's not for winter. I should have bought those other things lomsangana engiwuthengile angeke. Do you like it?
YouTube channel.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Wait, mama. So you do this. Angazi bayibiza ngesingisi. Oh, yeah, adjusteka. So yeah, so if it's too big, you adjust it at the back. Kanje. Uyenze kanje, ungathuki. Just uyafaza. It's cute. I like it. Do you like it? You don't like it? Oh, stand there. Face the camera. Let's see. Oh, beautiful baby. Gee. Okay, that's still fine. Turn around. Gee. Inesigqoko. Yes, Gally. Yeah, what? Jigga, my baby. Good job. Wait. I will change it for you, Zoe. You don't have to ngama. Sungama. Let me put these things on the floor, ne? Yeah. And then let's take this one off. I'm just taking chances here because my girl ukwenza Shein haul nalo sis i risk empilweni. And then I got you this one. I hope you like this one. And the coat, I hope. Ooh, I have a winner beret. They didn't tell me. Oh, I didn't read. I don't know. Nekinopi. Fake izandla. Nazo. Fake itandla. Oopsie, sorry, my baby girl. Wow. Do you like it? Do you like it, my love? Yes, no, maybe. Ayisafuna ukukinebha ke manje. Oh, yeah. Wow. Do you like it? Do you like it?
I want to ask the devil.
You want to ask Njabulo? Go and show him. And come back. Go and show Njabulo and come back. And then unane beret. Cabang mina bengayibonanga. I didn't see it. I didn't see that there is a beret. Yes. Sassy. Sukufai utheni uNjabulo uthe is cutie. Yeah. So this one is what I bought for 5 years. Ushosha ibheret lo neyinwele ezinkulu bakithi. Ubaba wakhe umlungu. Okay, is a white person. So yeah. Ikhaladi ubaba wakhe nimanyane. Wona ushaya ibheret.
I don't want.
Okay. Oh, but I think it's cute. Let me take you a picture. You don't want? Let me take you a picture. Put it and then I'll take you a picture quickly. Hey, uyadika man. Ngiyamzama lana. Akazameki. Okay. Okay, it's fine. Sengiyenzile into ebengifuna ukuyenza vele. Ngitshelile ngathi anginithembisi. So 5 years ke lona. I'm happy with the color and the material yakhona ngihappy. And then bese ke ngamthengelani futhi lo sisi. Ngiyathenga phela mina.
I want this one.
Okay. I'm going to give you this one. Ooh. Ooh. This one is 5 years as well. It's for autumn summer vibe, but it's giving I am a royal princess. Hey? Zoe is a princess. Hey, ayifuna ukuvuleka bakwethu. But ke sizawuthini ebantwini. Ngaba neyinzipho. Zidila nami. Because nama butterflies azo kitty. That's a kid dress. Maga inkulu. It's too big for her. It's 5 years old. She's 3 years and a quarter for now. Don't mind hey, but she's still kitty. You look beautiful. Funale Marlies, funale Keshes, funale Stish. Funama Mita, funama Kumba. Sonke. Funama Kumba. Yowel. Kumba.
This is gold.
That's gold. Do you like it?
I like gold.
It's your favorite.
I like gold.
Okay.
I like gold.
Okay, my love.
I like pink.
Okay. Siyakubongela.
I like purple.
Okay, siyakubongela.
I like pink.
Okay, sesizwele, step aside, ma'am. And then I got you, what else did I buy for you? Amagusha ke lawo. Amagusha. Okay. Amagusha ke lawa. Let me just check if it's recording because ngoba usucofile. Muzu ukuveza lesisana sakho esincane. Okay, so this is for age 3 to 5 years. There are 4 inside. Amagusha ke lawa. Yes. Ngiyawathanda made azofika kephi esiswini uyambona nawo. Ayofika esiswini anamahathi. Thole nalona. Ngathola no white. Wow, very white. No black. Babonise futhi now. ublack loyo. Siyabonga. Bese ke sibuye. Oh, isiketi sami ke lesi. Isiketi sami lesi engizithengile sona sasemsebenzini angeke ngisigqoke manje because ngiyasaba. Uthi naso ngathi ngizonela lana ngithole ubani. But it's hugging. I'm not going to wear it in a event. If I like it. It's not a see-through type of thing. This is mine, my baby. But okay. 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 And then what else? And I got her. I want to ngimfunele ama-pajama. Amashasha. Cause la ma. Ngathi nje ngawephara. At least a cute, ne? Do you like it? 4 years old, very cutesy, very demure. You like it? Good job. I'm not told to wear. You want to wear this one? You wear it after the video. For now, we are just looking. See, it's a set. It's a girl thing. It's navy blue. Low, 4 years old. Ngamthengela lawa keke. Lawa very cutesy, very demure. Yabona, I think when you compare, this one is more lighter than this one. This one is very warm. Can't remember the prices.
You like it.
Yeah. You like it.
Can you read that?
You wear it after the video, ne?
Teacher is the pepper and the jelly.
And then these are her pajamas, so I got her two because lama ingathi away par. Okay, tatak. Uhambe la.
Like that.
Wait, mama. You have a dress that I want you to see. Oh, okay. I thought, oh, it's pretty. It's a pretty dress. You want to wear a dress? So this dress is for how many? I think it's 4-year-old. Yes, it's a 4-year-old. I like it. I like the material. It's giving. Okay.
It's not big.
It's not big, ne? You like it? For the mere fact that you was a person. Ay, come and stand here. Let's see the dress. Oh, Tata man. Stand here. Let me see you. Stand here. Stand here. Yeah. Pause a bit. Let me take your picture. You like it? Beautiful, beautiful. Yes. Asihle bengisinyaza. Benginosnyaza. Ay, urobali teka. Ayibo. Yeah, okay. Hlala phansi. Asikhumule le roko lakho. Asikhumule. Angisubuke sihle ngani. Lihle.
I love it. Yes.
You love the dress. Oh my goodness, I love it as well.
I want ballerina.
You want ballerina? Manje uzawuthini ebantwini ballerina. I love it. It's giving winter vibes. It's so warm inside. I love it. I would definitely buy a different color. Yeah, ngazi musmina. Bese ke also Ivan. Ngimtell you 6 years because the last time I bought her these things, they were so tiny. They couldn't even so alright for her age. 6 years. So you must size up when you're buying these polo necks. Yeah, I didn't say you go want. It's fine. This is just a repetition of what I bought for you the last time, but I bought a bigger size because I know as of Bamba Jongo, so yes. Okay, go get it. And then this one. And then I bought you a dresses. So these dresses are for 4-year-olds because I know she's very tiny. Oh, maybe. Color ban le ngathi phuphi. but wona la ungathe ngoba beshibhile. So same design is the material that I don't really like, but I was like vele uzowagqoka ekhaya nje, so asikho nje isidingo sokuthi ayixake. So yeah, ublack nalo green oxakile, so kusazi uzogqoka one of the two, and then yeah.
I can't. I can't do it.
Okay, and then ke ngabe sengithenga logo. It says prayer changes things. So this one I bought it for my colleague. Because I don't know. Ngithe nje uyadeserve ihamba nalento le nginqena ukuyivula yabo, angasho ukuthi ngithatha kancane ngivula isipho sakhe. Hey phela hey ma'am, shift that side please. That side. Move phela iyinkani yale ngane. Okay, so it is the small one, and the big one. So it's a bag. Hey, I want to say I'm being tested. Nizobana njani ke content nina message. So here she can put her stuff like ama color, highlighters, and it's like her stationery. And then here she can put her question papers, scripts that she needs to mark for ingane zakhe ney'ncwadi zey'ngane zokumaka. Yabona, so ngimthengele logo wamanje. It says prayer changes things. I love it. I love the message behind it. And this one is for holding my cables in your house. Uzangakwisi or angaphuki or ungawanyatheli. So these ones are definitely a go for you if you're using a lot of cables. So you can literally stick them somewhere and then they hold. So I'm just going to do just that. Yeah, so great. Then I'm sure I'm not going to so right? So Jesus, this close. Yes.
Yeah, you'll get it. It's a bit.
Isn't gonna came. Yes, I'm good. Come, usivalilis. What's usivalilis? What's usivalilis? Say bye. See you on the next one. Say it. See you on the next one. Say it. See you on the next one. Bye. Mwah. Thank you for cooperating, Mama. No, this one is not for you, my baby. Oh, what a way of ending our video. I thought we were having a nice time. After buying all these clothes for you, bye guys.